What's up, YouTube? Back with another video tonight. We're out with dinner with Jesse's family. We're having beef hot pot. So, we like to eat hot pot very often, some fresh beef. Ken. Jesse, Mama, Baba. The look. Outside, many people. The restaurant's pretty cool. Kind of like a TP tent style. Lots of beef, lots of new roe as they call it. Our hot pot. My sauce. The norm.